So I've talked about this strategy that we use 100 psychological level. So important. You can see that OKTA plan was simple. The earnings, the guidance in the pre-market was trade versus 100, long over 34.50, cap and crap under it. So as soon as the market opened, I was watching OKTA, was no direction, but then it swiped over 512. That's when I said turn long versus 100. Take a long, your stops at 100, where first target was 104. OKTA gave us $4 per share there, and then when it broke 512, that was a time to get out, but then it gave another long setup. End of the day. This was a downtrend line, 34.50 setup, and then it broke on continuously. Why was that? Whenever something breaks 100, guys, it's a big breakout. And you can draw your line here on the charts, on the daily charts, and you will see how the 100 breakout on OKTA is panning out. Then it goes to the next resistance. This was why my 104 was my target. Then it has a 115 resistance. So it's high watch for the coming days. This 100 psychological strategy. This is such a big strategy that I've been teaching from years. So PLTR was the same strategy from 100. We were short on 100. We made a bunch of profits, money there. From 100, it went on to run. And then there's a Roku, which was 100 long, but it did not work. But then you short under 100 and it went on to fade and provide a great opportunity to the downside. And then when PLTR was running over the 100, we were long with the 100 concept. You can see that power of 100. I have done previous short, watch it. And then we had Starbucks. This was a Starbucks long versus 100. Same thing as OKTA today. As soon as breaks 100, it's going to go higher. Something breaks 100 on good news and holds 100, you can use it to trade that. This was Baba. Baba was initially short, but when it pushed over the 100, there was a long trade on Baba on 100. And then this was Micron. Same thing, 100 long. Beautiful winner. That was in the community and also shared live on the Twitter. This was the DocuSign, 100 concept, 100 psych long. Ran for us $7-8. Huge profitable day. Simple strategy, guys. 100 psychological level. And this was Marvell. That was 100 breakout. That day gapped up. It was a high confidence because it was over 100 and it continued to run for it. There are many psychological numbers, 10, 50, 100, 500, but 100 is a big level to trade with. Thousands of traders have used my strategy to change their life, guys. Just this simple 100 strategy. You wait for the best setup and some setups will not work, but who cares? You stop out or you short. This was a short versus 100, faded down. Kava was a long versus 100. Kava ran to swing trade. I said, say breaks 100, we will long it. And Kava went on to run like crazy. This was Myrna, 100 short, $6 fade. This was a swing short on Disney versus 100. This was a 100 psychology break on TTD. This was 300 psych, same concept. This is a strategy that you can make living on. Last time OKTA failed 100 and we shorted it. We failed 100 and we shorted it. That day on the OKTA short, that's a great example of 100 psychological short. We were long on OKTA and this was a short on OKTA. So you see the power of this simple strategy, guys. You can trade this all your life.
Come to Trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.